Use the triangles below to determine the value of x. Triangles are not to scale, round to 3 decimal places. Notice we have two right triangles. We have one here on the left, as well as one here on the right. The key to determining the value of x is to first determine the length of the shared side of the two right triangles, which is this side here. Let's go ahead and label this y. And now let's focus on the right triangle on the left. In relation to 47 degrees, notice the side with length 54 is the opposite side, and y is the hypotenuse, which indicates we can solve for y using the sine function. Recall sine theta equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse for any right triangle. This indicates sine 47 degrees equals 54 divided by y. And now we need to solve for y. Let's first multiply both sides by y to clear y from the denominator. This gives us y sine 47 degrees equals 54. And now we divide both sides by sine 47 degrees. Simplifying, we have y equals 54 divided by sine 47 degrees. Now we need to use y to find x, so we don't want to round y to 3 decimal places. We want to use the exact value for y. And now let's focus on the right triangle on the right side. Referencing 62 degrees, notice y is the opposite side and x is the hypotenuse, which indicates sine 62 degrees must equal y divided by x. And now we'll substitute 54 divided by sine 47 degrees for y, and then solve for x. Performing the substitution, we have sine 62 degrees equals y, which is 54 divided by sine 47 degrees, all divided by x. To begin to solve for x, let's multiply both sides by x, which will clear x from the denominator of this complex fraction. So we'll multiply both sides by x. Simplifying on the right, x divided by x simplifies to 1, which now gives us x sine 62 degrees equals 54 divided by sine 47 degrees. And now because we have a fraction on the right, instead of dividing both sides by sine 62 degrees, let's multiply by 1 divided by sine 62 degrees. We have x sine 62 degrees times 1 divided by sine 62 degrees equals 54 divided by sine 47 degrees times 1 divided by sine 62 degrees. Simplifying on the left, sine 62 degrees divided by itself simplifies to 1, leaving us with x equals 54 divided by the product of sine 47 degrees and sine 62 degrees. And now finally we'll go to the calculator and round the quotient to 3 decimal places. It is important to make sure the calculator is in degree mode. I'm using the Desmos Scientific Calculator, which is in degree mode. And now we enter 54 divided by, in parentheses, sine 47, close parenthesis, times sine 62, close parenthesis, and enter. To 3 decimal places, we have x is approximately 83.624. I hope you found this helpful.